You know, sometimes you just have to improvise with what you've got. Jenna thinks that about me all the time.
All the time.
But you'd be surprised at what common household items can do double duty, saving you time and money.
Britt Morin, the founder of Brit & Company, is here with tips and tricks, good ones, by the way, for making things easier around the house. Britt, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning, you guys.
Let us dive right in. I have spent my summer with these popsicles. Absolutely love them.
It's really warm outside.
But the warmer it is, the messier it gets.
The messier it gets. No one wants sticky fingers,
Sure.
right? So I'm going to make you guys do a lot of these things. So pick up a popsicle.
Okay.
We've cut little slits in the bottom of these cupcake liners so that all you do is actually put your popsicle right through here and it catches the drip. Isn't that smart?
I don't have a slit.
Those are not the done ones.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
This doesn't have a slit either.
We only split one for Jenna
There we
today.
go. That's
but you
not
can
so
even
hard.
punch it
There
through.
you
It's
go.
that easy.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
All right.
Thank you.
Next, you know we have got hard-to-reach candles around your house, marbles.
That was a disaster.
And sometimes it's really hard to light these things without lighting your finger. So again, we're going to make you guys do these. Take a spaghetti stick, please. And we're going to light your spaghetti stick.
Uncooked spaghetti.
Uncooked spaghetti.
Just making sure we're all
That'll make it so much harder.
All right.
If you
got
want to
it
challenge
lit.
yourself.
All right. Careful. There you go.
Marshmallows.
This is like s'mores. I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So once it's lit, you want to just
That worked out well.
put it in here. You got to lean it in
very
here. These are on the
romantic.
table. Okay. Now you're going to light
Maybe
your
when you
candle.
light my fire.
Exactly.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, look at that.
Right.
All right, that
And
worked
it
out
didn't
well.
light. Okay, right.
How romantical.
It's usually helpful if you
You know,
turn
this
these
kind of heat and humidity, trying to keep your potato chip crisp is pretty hard.
Yep.
Well,
How
speaking
about
of
those
spaghetti,
popsicles?
all right, well, if you don't want to use it to light your candles, you can actually use old Pringles cans to store your spaghetti. This acts like Tupperware if you want to. See, it fits right in
sure.
here just like this. It's actually great for storing rice, quinoa, all kinds of other dry goods as well. You can decorate your Pringles cans to not look like Pringles cans. We use chalkboard paint on this one.
And they're the
some
perfect
colored
size,
tape
too,
on
for
this
the
one.
pasta.
It's the perfect size,
Yes.
yeah, so you can reuse that as spaghetti. This one I love. It's a way to waterproof your shoes really easily. This is
Canvas shoes.
Canvas shoes,
Right.
yeah. It's perfect for beach season, rainy season. You just take a little beeswax and you just start rubbing really roughly on your shoe. There you go. And then you just take a blow dryer and iron it till it's dry.
And this will waterproof the shoe.
This waterproofs the shoe. So we've got this one done here. I'm going to show you. See, it can just drip on top. You see these bubbles forming?
That's
Isn't that
great.
amazing?
Yeah.
So
And
just
we're
some
wearing these
beeswax.
everywhere, so
That's
you
right.
can really use these.
There
It's
you go.
perfect.
Now, you know, if you're missing a speaker, you've got a little party breaking
You've
out.
got an impromptu dance party happening. You got
That happens.
You got a little bit of this going on. It's not that loud. It's not that
That's
cool
right.
for your
But you
friends.
shouldn't have any
amplify.
more than that. Just this.
Do you notice the
You want to
difference
stay in
there?
this space.
Oh,
You
look
just
at
put it
that.
in a bowl, and it's so much louder.
That's fantastic. And you know what? You want to make it even louder? You put a microphone in it.
You can put a microphone in, it's even
That's
louder.
even
It's
louder.
amazing. Yes.
Impromptu ironing.
All right, I noticed your colors are okay today, but you
But
can
if
use
it
the
wasn't,
touch-ups.
Yeah.
say if it looked
Exactly.
like this.
So this
like
hair
that.
straightener is actually a great tool for on-the-go collar ironing. You can see here, we're just ironing this down. I'll touch you up right here. You got a little wrinkle on
Al,
your
do you
seersucker.
have a hair straightener at home?
I
Yours
do.
is good.
I
You're
used it a
looking
little
good.
too much.
Anyway, it's a great little trick to straighten up your collars
And then-
right before you head out the door.
This one is a good one.
This one is amazing.
This one
I
has
don't know about
affected
you guys,
everybody's
but
dad.
I always hammer my fingers
You're
when
ironing
I'm
your
trying,
fingers.
after I'm ironing my collars. So an easy way not to hammer your fingers is to use a comb while you hammer. So please grab the hammer.
Okay.
We're going to walk over here,
Right.
and I'm going to just hold the nail in place, and you go.
There we
for
go.
it.
Look at that.
Look at that. Fantastic.
No fingers harmed, just
Nice.
like that.
Nicely done.
Perfect. I like it.